Hi darlings, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making a barbecue tofu recipe that is perfect for your next dinner. So let's get started. First, we need to prepare the tofu. Try to remove as much excess water as possible. I always wrap the tofu in a clean towel and place something heavy on top for 15 minutes. And once the tofu is pressed, cut it into thick stripes. Now we are going to line a baking tray with parchment paper. And the next step will be to coat the tofu in cornstarch or potato starch. I've cut the tofu in stripes, but feel free to cut it into cubes or break it in pieces, whatever you prefer. Now we will cover it with some olive oil or another oil you have on hand. Flip them over and repeat the same procedure in the other side. Once we have them ready, we will bake them for 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And now it's time to prepare the barbecue sauce. Add 3 tablespoons of ketchup in a bowl. 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke. This is an optional ingredient. You can also add half teaspoon of smoked paprika instead. Add also 1 tablespoon of agave syrup, half teaspoon of garlic powder, a quarter of teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt and half tablespoon of olive oil or another oil you have on hand. Let's whisk all the ingredients until everything is well combined, and once done, keep it in a side. Now we are going to remove the tofu from the oven and we will cover all the stripes with the barbecue sauce. Once you've done one side, flip them over and add barbecue sauce in the other side. Use only half of the sauce as we will need it for later on. Now we are going to bake them for another 5-7 minutes, and our last step will be to cover them with the rest of the barbecue sauce. And before you go, I would like to remind you that you can subscribe to my channel, like the video and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss any of my vegan recipes. You can also comment and share my videos to support my work. Many thanks, and I hope you enjoy this tofu recipe.